We hope that you love your weekend.
Yes.
Wherever you enjoy. Sulit sekian dan buku di Songai Pagaveri.
Right.
Terus sampai kita berbicara kemudian total another week, it's a new week, it's a new day, it's a new challenge for us this week. And buku betokan ni we'll find ourselves deep in the trenches again today. And we pun untuk itu yang tanang karabi tapi kena saya na office, saya kepakau na tite cuma na koro, na susu manu na tunggoli. Itu sampai dari bina cuma bikin ni. And buku betokan ni ada mata kabinani ko. To all the drivers and the passengers.
Okay.
And binakan welcome to Ouch Pilangi Show.
Alright, I say good morning to Ben Tari and the driver from Lokia, Lisa KD148, the Island Bus.
Okay.
The Nase Sebas family.
Right.
We say good morning to you this morning. And not forgetting from the OM033
Oh, yeah?
to Anna Ulibiti,
Right.
Deborah Joe, Maria Bosikata, Moses Ulibiti, Mrs. Ndibuana, and Mr. Ndibuana joining this morning all the way from where?
Nasese.
Nasese category. We say good morning to you and and the student too from where? The school.
Yeah. Right.
We say good morning to you. The English is negative now.
Right.
It's like the weather. The weather is some place in the country of the overseas.
Right.
It's a -0 now.
Right.
Some they are going for the negative,
Uh-huh.
but they are lucky. They have firewood in their own home.
Alam mo?
They have firewood. No one got to nambu kaya manibali.
You should do that in Lolabo. You should light a firewood. One fireplace inside the house. One fireplace.
Yeah, it can happen.
Yeah?
But in that kind of house, it's a second.
Right.
Yeah.
Mayar tadi beraun na couple go wati di Philippine Laisane Kinoya. Ayana buku ningol itu kay bonin daka. Lamani IN815 no yan binaka.
I would like to say, to all the students who took part in the Dean's competition last weekend.
Yes.
Wow, na raralibelutala full pack and the Eastern Zone Dean's panel, and to all the students who took part in that event, the match. Pinapalib besar na suling urangone kiri buku-buki mangko sa Matau, and to all other zones. The Northern Division, to the 4 teams that will matatakat cuman napuli kuno tapuno, we say all the best.
Right.
And the upcoming games at go to all the 4 teams from the western side of the country, Western Division. Sabaw na talaga kami na Southern Zone, but the Eastern Zone teams. And to the referee, our friend that we called last Friday, who was in the cab, the LT1230, the Motoloa taxi belong.
Okay.
Rasivenge.
Right. Rasavenge. Thank you very much for the well performing from the final of the Eastern Zone last weekend. Peter Tawake, Mbulmena Toba, Tambulmena Tombia. Bisa kirakai tinay meme.
Udah mulai besar na loloma.
Isa. And also to John Kumar joining this morning. To everybody in the road. They are watching the road lane this morning. I say good morning to you.
Okay, we are live on our Facebook page, VTFM Facebook page now. I would like to ask a basic question, Eleanor.
Okay.
What causes pull muscle? We can look inside our body, but we can feel what's going on inside our body. Don't be gonna pull muscle them.
Okay, the pull muscle when there's not enough exercise in your body.
Right.
Kuna fatigue?
The pull muscle.
When not exercise and sometimes your job and your body does not match.
Huh?
So
explain kira-kira.
Your what?
Your job
and your body
does not match.
Okay.
Na iba katangan dengan tinilomu and the fitness your body has does not match.
Right. Doesn't go together.
Does not go together.
Right.
Sometimes your heart is strong, your body is soft. Molo membuat dia unfit, you know? See? That's why we need to exercise.
Right.
Because some of the job that we do, like we carry heavy things.
Right.
We carry heavy things and our body does not reliable to match.
It's not reliable
the heavy
enough.
weight we have.
Intensity of the job. Okay. Alright. Okay. Na saya nga natapa ya na pull muscle. Na iba mo.
The muscle.
Please take us inside.
The muscle. That we carry happens when muscle fiber straight to far OTR late betang kita gitu yang lo maninon tengah-tengah.
Iya setia.
Iyo.
Nggak pun nalilitan.
Yeah, see, that's why pain,
Yeah.
swelling,
Right.
weakness in
Yeah.
our body,
Right.
they can cause down.
Okay,
Right.
menurut ako, menurut sa Kelebinaka,
Iya.
the last few weeks have been angering.
Right.
Yeah.
Kasi sudah bang, ba't ako nunggu temo ni pakai musik dem.
Iyo.
Take us through our temo.
Okay.
Apa cukup kina?
You know,
Iya.
there's only two parts of our body carry our weight.
Right. Leg.
Your skull,
Right.
your shoulder,
Right.
your organ.
Right.
There's only two, the right and the left
Leg.
side of the leg.
Right.
The leg that carries our weight.
Right.
That's why we need to walk in a proper manner. Respect your leg.
Right.
You have to respect your leg. Because these are only two bones that carry your weight. If you never respect your leg, if your mouth does not respect your leg,
Right.
if your stomach does not respect your leg,
Right.
if your esophagus does not respect your legs, what will happen is this.
Yeah.
Your leg will complain in a manner of pull muscle.
Please
Right.
lift your leg.
Lift your leg! Yes! Sorry. Obango, lift your leg, Miss Sarabi.
The Messi is a leg lifter.
Ah, ujian.
Leg house na kapal na sika pesta nila. To yan benaka.
Ada pasar kake. Ada pasar kake pemandi. Bilang all.
Ay, sakal lagi.
Ramili.
Isa.
Ay, sakal
Ano pala
lagi.
undong bula. Bula elilaw.
Bula benaka laisa tinay seba.
Sakal
Mori
lagi.
tuyo na way koro.
Yeah.
Boleh
Sherwood
benaka.
Park, Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Do yan benaka.
O tafoy. O tua dama.
Kita usakin na.
Yan re. Si te Jeff. Alno ayo mo ni kahisa kong bunresam bula re.
Ay,
Ay
yawe.
nanti mga ruan London ningo kumbula umbua arkalas kau kita kari tambua main karabira na songo lebu ni volleyball.
Right.
Yan ati kini ruwa kumbula bat ke way nunu ang karabi may na utululu.
Yeah.
Toto ka bakauti. Patricia Brown may serne. Awa. Patricia Brown and the family. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, Mili suka na tambuhan. Daun tani siya ndalan di pula.
Hey.
And then ratu yan benaka. Site Jeff.
Ah.
Patricia Brown, undite Sirlo yan benaka. Nawale na sa mabulmayan mata benaka ni Kwa.
Alright.
All right.